I've been a big fan of the Wales Coaching Conference right from the outset. I think the University of South Wales do an amazing job bringing together coaches from right across Wales, working in all the different sectors. I'm a big fan of saying, how can we integrate research and practice? And what I'm seeing happening at this conference is an example of that. So it's a great way for coaching professionals to connect with what is the latest thinking in this area and be reflective about whether that latest thinking might be part of providing a better service to their clients.
I wanted to get involved with the Wales Coaching Conference because it's important to build on a culture where coaching is fully embedded in the everyday practice of a leader and leadership at all levels. And this coaching event is key to enabling those individuals to develop their expertise and skills in whichever field they work.
Events like this for coaches are so important because coaches love to talk. And talking with your coachee is not the same as talking with colleagues, sharing ideas, exploring what's going on out there. It's just a brilliant opportunity to get together with other coaches and think, what's happening, what's important to you, what can I learn from you, and what can you learn from me?
It's an amazing networking event. Everyone comes together, people know each other, but it's quite lonely as an executive coach, so it's nice to have such an inspiring networking day. And of course you pick up some new ideas as well for your practice.
Well, coaching, I think, is becoming increasingly important to corporate life, and particularly virtual coaching. So I think events like this, where coaches can get together, share best practice, share the ways that we're experimenting, and learn together, can only benefit our clients. Coaching professionals can benefit by a sort of cross-fertilization process, really getting ideas from one another, not so textbook-based, but from the leading edge of different practitioners' experience, and I think that's the real benefit of an event like this.
This event is important for the coaching industry for many, many reasons. So many people who turn up at the start of it and are overwhelmed just by the sheer size and the fact that there are hundreds and hundreds of fellow practitioners gathered, and it gives them a real sense of the growth of coaching as an industry and a profession within Wales as a nation, and their role, their place in that. Of course, outside of the formal agenda, it is a chance for many of them to network and catch up with friends and colleagues. What we're also very, very proud of is that more and more of each year we're growing our own talent and our own expertise, and so many of the people who are presenting today are from Wales and are there utterly on merit.
There's probably two main things that I think emerge for coaching professionals. One is just the personal connections that you get from here. Seeing colleagues, seeing new people, just seeing the energy that exists around coaching and its use, and just for them to get the sense that they're part of something bigger. So that's one part. But the other is to leave hopefully refreshed and with some new ideas, because coaching is constantly evolving, and I just love the buzz that I've encountered here. Lots of enthusiastic coaches. People have made a decision to be here. They've invested their time, and I think they're doing that because they're asking the question, how can we be of even better service? So it's just wonderful to support that.